A student, today I am going to start experiment number 3 in our applied science, that is in physics. So title of this experiment is a coefficient of viscosity by Stokes method. So coefficient of viscosity by Stokes method, this is our experiment. And in this experiment we have to use apparatus, that is long cylindrical glass. This is the long cylindrical glass, student. Then transparent various liquid. So this is liquid inside the cylindrical glass jar. So this is the glycerin. Then meter scale we have to use, or scale putty we have to use. Then spherical ball. This is the spherical ball. Keep in your mind, this is the spherical ball. This is the spherical ball. Then micrometer screw gauge. Already you have to know this instrument, micrometer screw gauge. This is the stopwatch we have to use, student. Then vernier caliper also use. So student, this all is apparatus we have to use in this experiment, coefficient of viscosity by Stokes method. So student, our formula is eta equal to 2r square sigma minus rho up into g upon 9v. So student, eta is the coefficient of viscosity, r is the radius of the metal sphere, this is the metal sphere, this is sigma density of the metal sphere, rho density of the liquid, g gravitational force, and v velocity, spherical velocity. So student, here in this experiment first we have to calculate the diameter and radius or area. So first we have to calculate the diameter of this spherical ball or spherical ball in this way by using the micrometer screw gauge. So I will calculate first diameter and then radius. So already you have to know the least count of the micrometer screw gauge is 0.001 centimeter, and assembly is in this way. Listen student, this is the assembly of coefficient of viscosity, and this instrument actually we have to use this. This is the measuring cylinder, then this is the micrometer, then spherical ball, watch, and already we have to use the glycerin. This is the liquid, glycerin liquid inside the measuring cylinder. So student, first we calculate the diameter of this spherical ball. So we will take only one reading, because you will take 2 to 3 reading, but we will take only one reading of the diameter of the spherical ball. So our reading is, listen here student, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 0.5 MSR reading, this is in centimeter. Then CSD, so this is the straight line, and you get this is 80 90, so you get 1 2 3, so that is 83. This is the CSD. Then CSD into least count, that is 0.083, this is the CSR. Then total reading MSR plus CSR, you get 0.583. This is the total reading. All reading is in centimeter, keeping your mind, but CSD not centimeter, this is only division, that is only number. Then CR, corrected reading we will take, here is no error, so our reading is 0.583. Again we will take second reading or third reading. So in this way we will take simple procedure for calculate the diameter, but we will take one reading, so our mean is 0.583. Then radius, this is the diameter, 0.583 centimeter, this is the diameter of the spherical ball, and radius we will take divided by 2, so 0.291 centimeter, and this reading we have to convert in meter, so that is 0.291 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and this is the centimeter, keeping your mind. So this is the radius of the spherical ball. I will take only one reading, keeping your mind, by using this spherical ball. So here is we have to given, listen, density of the liquid we have to given 1.26 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per meter cube. Then volume of the metal sphere, that is V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is the radius of the metal sphere, and we get the reading is this. Then mass of metal sphere. So we will take mass of this metal sphere in kg. So first this mass is in the gram, then after we have to convert it in kg. Density of the metal sphere, that is sigma, but m upon v we will take. Then distance between point A to B. So student, listen here. This is the glycerin we have to use in the measuring cylinder, and here is 2. In this way we will take 2 reading. So this is the first mark A, and another mark here is B. Suppose this is first mark A and this is the B. Listen here. This is the B. Keeping your mind. So after that we have to add this. So our observation table, metal sphere, then time, we have to measure with the help of watch, time, then velocity. Velocity formula is V equal to S upon T, and then terminal velocity. So I will take one reading. Here is serial number. So this is 1. Metal sphere, this is also 1, and time. So listen here student, we have to given density of the liquid, that is 1.26, and density of the sphere we have to calculate with the help of density of the sphere, then mass of the sphere and volume of the sphere. So student, first reading we will take, this is the spherical ball. So this is the marking A. So this ball goes from this mark A up to mark B. So this is your distance, keeping your mind, and you have to collect the time. Listen. Only 4 seconds. So time being 4. This is time 4 seconds, and difference we will take scale. So student, this is the scale patti or scale. We have to measure this reading. This is 21 centimeter. So yes is 21 centimeter. 21 divided by 4. So we get 21 divided by 4.